The World Heritage Site Kaziranga National Park in Assam is all set to welcome President Drupadi Murmu. Murmu will reach Kaziranga this afternoon on a 3-day visit to Assam. President Drupadi Murmu conferred 55 Padma Awards for the year 2023 at the second civil investiture ceremony at Rashtrapati Bhavan last evening. She presented 3 Padma Vibhushan, 5 Padma Bhushan and 47 Padma Shri awards. Addressing party workers on the 44th Foundation Day of BJP today through video conferencing, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today asserted that social justice is not just a political slogan but an article of faith for the Bharatiya Janata Party. The Ministry of Home Affairs has issued an advisory to all states in view of Hanuman Jayanti today. IPL cricket, Punjab Kings beat Rajasthan Royals by 5 runs at Barsapara Cricket Stadium in Guwahati last night.